Hello campers, welcome back to another day of learning about math. Today's standard is MAFS.K.MD.1.1. You're going to be able to describe measurable attributes of objects such as length or weights. The objective, boys and girls, you will compare the lengths of objects and describe the differences in lengths. The vocabulary words are shorter, longer, heavier, and lighter for this week's lesson. So as we think about some of the activities that we have gone over for the week, I'm going to remind you. We did an activity with eggs, all about the weight of the eggs. We did an activity about the candy bars, which candy bar was longer and which candy bar was shorter. And as you can recall, this is Miss Allen's favorite one, the Hershey one, the one with the almonds, because it's the longer one. We also did our lesson on the long and short of it, and we used strips of paper to measure. We had the yellow one, the brown one, the red one, and the purple one or pink one. So with that being said, we're going to do another activity. This activity, boys and girls, requires that you have to be able to answer these questions and be able to provide the answers to Miss Allen on the next class session. All right, so here's the first one. I can measure my crayon. My crayon is blank inches long. So what you have to do, go and look for a crayon, your favorite color crayon, and measure it with a ruler. Remember that we're going to use rulers for this particular activity. The side that says inches. And you're going to write these words on your paper, and you have to fill in the missing blank or put in the right correct number. All right, so that was number one with the crayon. Number two, boys and girls, says, I can measure my hand. Measure your hand. My hand is blank inches long. So you take the ruler, and boys and girls, because I know our fingers are a little different, try to start with your middle finger and measure from the top of your middle finger all the way down to the palm of your hand, okay? To see how many inches long. You can either do it on the front or the back. Your hand is. All right, so let's look at number three. Number three question says, which is longer, a color pencil or a marker? So you have to go and get a color pencil and a marker, your favorite colors, and decide by using the ruler which one of those is longer, and fill in the missing in the space provided right there. And I'm looking to see who's going to do a good job with their measuring. Number four says, I can measure my composition book. The composition book, boys and girls, is those little books that we use for like journaling in. So get one of those, or you could just use a regular notebook and measure to see how many inches long your composition book is. And you will fill out this sentence that says, my composition book is blank inches long, and put the correct number in that space. All right, let's look at number five question. Number five says, I can measure my eraser. My eraser is blank inches long. So you can get your eraser and measure it. Some erasers are long, some erasers are short. So you take your ruler and you measure to see the length of your eraser. So boys and girls, your assignment is as follows. You're going to measure a crayon. You're going to measure your hand. You're going to measure a colored pencil and a marker. You're going to measure your composition book as well as an eraser. Boys and girls, I look forward to seeing your work as soon as possible. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I do want you to enjoy the rest of your day, and remember that it is all about the adventure in math. So Have a wonderful day and believe in yourself.